What's the meaning of bottle blonde? Bottle blonde. Bottle blonde.
Bottle blonde. Bottle blonde. Bottle blonde is a term used to describe someone, usually a woman, who has dyed their hair blonde using hair dye from a bottle rather than having naturally blonde hair. The result of this process typically varies depending on the skill of the person applying the dye and the quality of the dye they use. A successful application can result in a natural-looking, shiny, and healthy blonde color that complements the person's complexion and style. However, a poor application can result in an unnatural, flat, or brassy color, as well as damaged, brittle and unhealthy-looking hair.